In this video, we'll show you how to do
chocolate mousse.
Actually, it's a chocolate mousse with two chocolates, milk and dark chocolate.
Yes.
So enjoy the video. Hello French food lovers, I'm Chef Jérôme.
Hello, I'm Chef Valentin.
And in this channel, we'll show you how to do
Easy French style cooking.
grams of milk chocolate, 190 grams of dark chocolate, 225 grams of heavy cream, 5 egg whites, 225 grams of sugar. Melt both chocolates in a bain-marie. You can also do it in the microwave, but be careful not to burn the chocolate. You don't want it to be too hot. For your bain-marie, you put your chocolate bowl in a pot with hot water. Like this, you're gonna warm your chocolate slowly and gently. Heat up the heavy cream to a boil. Add a third to the melted chocolate and stir. It should become grainy at this point. Add the second third and mix it again. It will still be grainy. When you will add the final third, the ganache should become very shiny and a little bit thicker than it was before. You want to make an emulsion with the chocolate and the cream to make the chocolate mousse even more unctuous. Let it cool while you take care of the egg whites. Whip the egg whites with a third of the sugar on low speed until it's foamy. Then add a second third of the sugar and whip it a little bit faster till it's firm. Finally, add the remaining sugar and put it on the highest speed until it's very firm. At this point, you should have what we call bird beak. Mix first a third of the egg white with the chocolate with a whip. We put the first third with a whip to try to get an even texture of the two masses. Like this, it's going to be easier to put the remaining eggs into the chocolate. Add the second third of the whites using a spatula and this time carefully bringing the bottom up and trying not to break the bubbles. Finally, put the remaining egg whites add the whipped cream. Your chocolate mousse is ready to go in ramekins. Let it chill for a few hours, minimum 2 or 3, and then you can enjoy it. Okay, shall we try it?
Mm-hmm.
How do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know.
Quite good, huh?
Very good.
Not so strong. You like milk chocolate better, and this one tastes like milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Bye bye, see you next time. If you like this video, don't hesitate.
Like
You can also subscribe and hit.
the bell.
See you next time, bye bye.
Bye.